This is the Oculus keratograph topographer. It's a corneal topography system that measures 22,000 points on the surface of the cornea. This machine also can perform real keratometry, and it gives the K value, real Ks at 3 millimeter zone. You also have the Ks at 3, 5, and 7 millimeter zone. Right now we are looking at the overview display. In the overview display, we have an external image of the eye with the placido rings projected on the picture. This is a nice display to show the doctor any irregularities on the surface of the cornea instantly. Up here we have the sagittal or tangential map. You have the choice of going back and forth between sagittal or tangential map, and you can see the topography map up here when you switch. Down at the bottom we have the real K values at 3, 5, and 7 millimeter zone. This is also helpful to the doctors when they are trying to evaluate astigmatism and detect irregular astigmatism. The Ks that we have here are the real Ks, they are not simulated Ks. Down at the bottom, we have a graph that shows the symmetry or asymmetry between the Ks on the surface of the cornea. Keratograph also comes with a keratoconus detection software. The keratoconus detection software can help the doctor to find out the keratoconus very early on, detect it early on, and help the patient with the right treatment to stop the progression of the keratoconus. Right in the middle, we have a table that shows the keratoconus level. And for this patient, for example, this is a KC level 1, 2, which means this is a keratoconus level 1 or 2. By clicking on that table, we get a second window that describes what the keratoconus level 1 or 2 means. We also have other values, other indices that can help the doctor detect irregularities on the surface of the cornea. We also have a height map, the Fourier analysis that also can help detect the irregularities on the surface of the cornea, and the contact lens fitting. So the doctor can do a simulation of one of the contact lenses in the database and see how the contact lens is fitting on the surface of the cornea even before actually trying it on the patient. Keratograph topographer also comes with the tear film scan software, which is helpful for dry eye analysis. Here what we are doing is we are making a movie of the patient during the examination. As soon as we have any tear film breakup, the software detects that and then maps it in a color map up here. The map that we have on the right corner, top right corner, shows the breakup and the areas where the tear film breakup has happened. For the color scale, we are using seconds. So for this patient, we have a lot of orange and red areas, which shows that the breakup started happening at 0.5 seconds, and this is a case of severe dry eye. Down at the bottom, we have the first breakup, the timing of the first breakup, the average time for the tear film breakup, and the classification of the dry eye. Now compare that with a normal case where the patient doesn't have any breakup. So the whole map is green, which means we did not have any breakage in the reflection of the placido rings up to 24 seconds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo.